BIM 360 Build provides a number of tools for construction companies to manage their projects more efficiently and get greater visibility to make better informed decisions. All project information is stored in the cloud and can be accessed via a web browser or on mobile devices, meaning that the whole project team has confidence that they are working to the correct information at any time. Advanced collaboration tools ensure communication breakdowns become a thing of the past, and tedious day-to-day tasks such as emails, data gathering and reporting are significantly reduced. Markups, comments and RFIs are managed in a modern, intuitive user interface with additional capabilities such as draw and compare to ensure that changes do not slip through the net. Significantly improve your quality and health and safety management through intelligent checklists and issue management for snagging and observations. Get powerful insight into your projects and business through customized dashboards and trend identification to ensure that unnecessary rework is avoided.